could be superstars. We've been rather wrecking cars. What does that say, sir?
Okay, gang, I went to Walmart, as you guys can see. I went to get salad. This kale salad is the best. Like, seriously, if you guys like kale, pick this up. It's good. I have some rice cakes, some caramel rice cakes. What else did I get? For this thigh, I had got this thigh cream. I was seeing the reviews and was like, oh, it's just petroleum jelly. Let's hope not. Because this little tube here was $9. So I was seeing reviews said that it worked within 3 days. The star got to go. It got to go. And also I had got some Caesar dressing. I don't know why, but I did. And I ordered roses. Is these roses? No. Are these roses? No, they're not. And I'm doing a spiritual bath today. So we're going to have to try to finagle this. My workout was good. So now I'm about to take a shower. And then when I'm done with my shower, I'm going to start my spiritual bath. Lord, it be gnats, mosquitoes, 4 day in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. I was out there working out. Like, why the heck is it so many freaking mosquitoes 4 day in the morning? I don't know. I don't know.
No, Terry, you broke us, Terry, you broke us. No, like there's no fixing this, Terry. I know it hurt. You contribute. We at least tried to Terry, no.
Auntie, because I know you don't like us to call you auntie, but baby, what your lifetime had cooking up, this is one for the books. Now, real love and strength of a woman. I'm going to give you guys my commentary because I've watched both. With real love, it's like, you know, you finding your first love and life gets in the way. You don't really know how to take and manage breakups. You know, you don't know how to deal with hurt and pain. So when you do, you just, whatever. Like, it's not our typical story because, baby, if we broke up, we broke up. Ain't no call, ain't no spinning a block, ain't no none of that. But in this instant, they didn't break up on bad terms, and I love that for them. Cause you know, these breakups is something. It's I'm playing your ties, I'm riding by your mama house, like I'm calling the people, I'm calling your parole officer on you. I love that for them. Oh God. So strength of a woman, we're becoming adults. So when we're becoming adults, everybody's going on with their life. Everybody's married, you know, kid, and everything just go back into like we never loved. Like we were at distance years, but once we back, it's like we never loved. And I love that storyline. Like it was immaculate. Like seriously. And I really love Strength of a Woman because it shows a woman's vulnerability after a breakup. I've never been married, so I don't know how that feels to have that done to you in your marriage. All I'm gonna say is he said it's your child, and it really messed me up. How could you deny you're a flesh and blood? Let me stop. But baby, these so-called friends, I'm glad she put that in there. But the whole, it was good. It was good. I really loved it. So now I think next week or this weekend it's gonna be Keisha Cole's turn. So I'm gonna do my commentary on them. But I really enjoyed Real Love and Strength of a Woman. I think she should keep that going. She said it's supposed to be like stories of her songs because all her songs have stories. I think she should keep that going on because your child, that needs to be in there. That needs to be in there. That would be so cool. But the whole 2 parts were cool. It was really cool. Baby Mary getting to the bag. She say, if this singing shit ain't finna go, Auntie got power and she doing this stuff for Lifetime. Come on, Mary. Come on, Mary. Lord, I ain't want to give y'all too much because I don't know what some of y'all seen. I don't know if but baby. Good morning, DSJ family. Good morning, DSJ gang. So yesterday, y'all know, was 4th of July. I'm currently at the freaking car wash because they so happen to pop fireworks by my freaking car and it's freaking nasty and I'm on my way to work. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh That's better. Y'all like my bun? What's up, DSJ family? Hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July weekend. Lord have mercy. What's up, DSJ family? What's up, DSJ gang? I want to thank you so much, gang, for putting me back in position. I couldn't do none of it without you guys. Y'all made sure to stay on top of YouTube Net to get your girl back. I guess who done made it back? I got my YouTube partnership back. Let's go. Again, I really want to say I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Without y'all, it would not be humanly possible. Even the haters that dislike the video, I'm proud of y'all too, because you know, it is what it is. Y'all see fit into your girl to be back on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube getting that coin, getting that paper, getting that check, and I even showed y'all what to do. So go ahead.